Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss and learn some treatment related with the goods. Like already we had discussed in the journal entry some special transaction like loss by fire, loss by theft. When insurance company admit the claim, then how the journal entry will be passed. Charity, when the goods are withdrawn for the personal use, all that transactions we had done already in the journal entries. Sometimes we forget to record these transactions. After making the trial balance, we come to know that these transactions had been not yet adjusted. So how the treatment will be there? First we will discuss all the treatment, and after that we will solve one question on that. So bacha, the treatment number 1, what we have to discuss is abnormal stock, abnormal loss of stock. What is the meaning of this abnormal loss of stock? Very simple. Suppose goods are kept in the godown and because of any reason, because of loss by fire, because of any accident, the goods are destroyed. Then what treatment will be there? Generally, suppose a situation is there, and the situation number 1, when goods are destroyed and nothing received from any insurance company. So 2 treatment will be there. Please see this very carefully. Number 1, it will deduct from the purchase. It will deduct from the purchase where in trading account debit side. Acha, why we deduct? Very simple. When the goods are destroyed, our goods decrease. When goods decrease, purchase will decrease. Acha, second treatment, as the goods destroyed, it is our loss, and the losses are recorded in profit and loss account debit side as a loss. So this is the 2 treatment of abnormal loss of stock. Number 1 is that is deducted from the purchase trading account debit side, and number 2 is that it is recorded in profit and loss account debit side. Okay. Achha, sometimes the goods are insured. Sometimes the goods are insured. Then 3 transactions will be there. When in case number 2, when goods insured from insurance company. So one time the total destroyment of the goods will be deducted from the purchase. Second time, whatever the loss we have, that will be transferred in profit and loss account debit side. And suppose whatever the insurance company admit the claim, that will be transferred in balance sheet asset side. Why balance sheet asset side? Very simple, because it is a future receipt. Like suppose, I'm just giving an example to you and it will be more clear. Suppose goods of 50,000, ठीक है, destroyed by fire. Insurance company admit the claim of 40%. This is the transaction. How it will be transferred? Just see. From the purchase, we will minus the 50,000 because total goods which is destroyed is 50,000. Okay. And bacha, how much loss we have? Out of 50,000, insurance company is giving how much? 40%. It means 50,000, 40%, 20,000. So how much amount is not received? Is 50,000 minus 20,000. Total loss what we cannot recover from the insurance company is 30,000. and how much amount we will receive in the future from the insurance company. This is what, bacha? 20,000. So this three treatment will take place. Minus from purchase, loss will transfer in profit and loss, and the third one, how much amount we will receive in the future, that will be transferred in balance sheet asset side as a insurance claim. Okay. Now, the second treatment of goods is that when goods is given as a charity. ठीक है, when goods is given as a charity. अब देखो simple बात, charity is just a donation. So charity having a two type of treatment. Number one, it will minus from the purchase. ठीक है, in trading account, debit side. Now understand why. Suppose as a charity, as a donation, if I give the goods from my business to any particular section, so my goods will decrease in the go down. My goods will decrease in the go down. So my purchase will decrease. Second, it is a type of loss for us because we not receive anything. So losses will be transferred in profit and loss account, debit side. So whenever the goods is given as a charity, this two transaction will take place. Number one, it will minus from the purchase in trading account, and number two, it will transfer in profit and loss account, debit side as a loss. And a part of this, whenever the goods is given as a free sample, when goods is given as a free sample, you can say as advertisement. Like suppose sometime the goods is given as an advertisement, given as a free sample, same treatment will take place. Minus from purchase because goods decrease and it is a type of loss for us. So it will be transferred in profit and loss account, debit side. Okay. Now some other section is there. Please understand this, and after that we will proceed for the question. Drawing of the goods. Drawings of goods. Ab drawing of goods you are knowing. Whenever the proprietor take goods for the personal use, it will be considered as a drawing of goods. So drawing of goods will also having two treatment. Number one, it will deduct the purchase because of goods will decrease and the go down. Like suppose we have 50,000 goods. Out of 50,000, 10,000 used by the proprietor. So our goods will be from 50,000 minus 10,000 is equal to just 40,000. So number one, it will decrease our goods. So minus from purchase in trading account, debit side. And second treatment is what? Second treatment is again simple. It is a drawing. It is a withdrawal of the goods. So it will add in the drawings, and drawing treatment is what? Drawing will deduct from the capital. Okay. So this is all the treatment related with the four things. When goods are destroyed by any accident, any fire, and insurance claim is admitted, then what will be there? Three transaction. Minus from purchase, loss in profit and loss, and whatever the claim we will receive, balance sheet assets. If no claim is there, then only two transaction. Minus from purchase, loss will be transferred in profit and loss. And again, bacha, from if goods is given as a charity, it will minus from purchase as a debit side of trading account and as a loss in PL account, debit side. Whenever the goods are given as a free sample, as an advertisement, then also the same treatment will be there. It will minus from the purchase because it decrease the goods whenever we give the goods as a free sample, and it will profit and loss account, debit side. Next is drawing of goods. A drawing of goods is what? Simple. When goods are withdrawn by the proprietor, it will minus from the purchase, trading account, debit, and it will add in the drawing because it is a for withdrawn for the personal use, and drawing will always deduct from the capital. Okay, so on the basis of that, from the new book, I'm just giving a question to you. You please open the question in your book. It is question number 10B. Page number in the new book is 22.84. Please open it. Okay. Chalo. So first what we have to make? We have to make the trading account. What we have to make, बच्चा? Trading account. तो चलो देखो भाई trading account. Trading and profit and loss account. Debit side, credit side. चलो बच्चा. So first in the question we have to open the trading account, and in the trading account first we will transfer 2 opening stock. How much opening stock is given in the question? It is 60,000. After salary it is given 2 opening stock 60,000. ठीक है बच्चा. Then 2 purchase. How much purchase is given? After motor car it is 1,60,000. Whenever purchase is there, just find out that purchase return is also there or not. So any purchase return is there in the question. So there is no purchase return. Okay, no issue. Now bacha, from the purchase you read the first additional information. I'm reading for you. Closing stock 55,000. Stock valued at 10,000 was destroyed by the fire. ठीक है. अब how much stock is destroyed by the fire? 10,000. तो minus loss by fire. How much goods are decreased because of loss by fire? It is minus 10,000. Okay. Now one more thing is there. Goods given as a charity 1200 rupees. So bacha, charity will also minus from the purchase. How much? Minus 1200. So goods destroyed by any reason, given as a charity, given as a free sample, withdrawn by the proprietor, in all that case this particular purchase will decrease. So how much it will be there bacha? Find out. 1,60,000 minus 10,000 minus 1200, it will be 1,48,800. अब बच्चा 2 carriage inwards, it is 10,200. Now wages is also given in the question. So 2 wages. How much wages is there? 20,400. After that 2 fuel and power. Fuel and power is also used in the factory. So 2 fuel and power, it is 15,700. Achha, now come to the credit side. So sales is given. So buy sells 2,80,000 minus sales return is equal to 15,000. ठीक है जी. So now it will be 2,80,000 minus 15 is equal to 2,65,000. अब बच्चा, in the question the first additional information only, closing stock is given. By closing stock, how much by closing stock is there बच्चा? 55,000. Okay, so these information we adjusted. Now you can see The transaction number 5th, please see in the book transaction number 5th. Rent is to be allocated 2/3 to the factory and 1/3 to office. It means whatever the rent is there, 2/3 is related with the factory, and we are knowing any expense related with the factory will be considered as a direct expense, and direct expense is transferred to trading account. So 2 rent, 2/3. How much? How much? Total rent is given in the question 12,000. So 12,000 2/3 is how much? 12,000 into 2/3, 3 4 4 2 जा 8,000. ठीक है? So total rent which is allocated is 8,000 rupees. Now you find out the total of this side. It is 2,65,000 plus 55 is equal to 3,20,000. 3,20,000. अब बच्चा, now what to do? You add this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and minus from the content. $60,000, 1,48,800, 10,200, 8,000, 20,400, 15,700, and the total will be coming as a balance is 56,900. It will be 2 gross profit, 56,900. Anyone having any problem? You please see again. Opening stock we adjusted, purchase we transfer, whatever the content is decreasing purchase that will deduct from the purchase, and after that it is 1,48,800. Carriage in word is there, wages is there, fuel and power is there, sales is there, sales return is there, closing stock is there. Rent is generally without any information, it will be transferred to profit and loss account, but in this question what is there? It is clearly mentioned in the additional information that the rent of 2/3 will be belongs to trading account, factory expenses, and 1/3 will be belongs to office. Chalo, in this only we will continue the profit and loss. So bachcha, this gross profit will be transferred as by gross profit account 56,900. Now what income will be there? चलो जी, तो to charity, सबसे पहले we will transfer to charity. It is 1,200. After that बच्चा, after charity, stationery, to stationery. How much stationery is there? 500. But as you can see that we withdraw the stationery for the proprietary use. So minus drawing. How much? 150 for proprietary use. So 500 minus 150 is equal to 350. Gross profit is 56,900. Charity is 1,200. Stationery is 500. And bacha, stationery consumed by the proprietor is 150. It is consumed by the proprietor. That's why it will be considered as a drawing. It will be consumed as a drawing. Okay. Now what to do? After the stationery, there is a depreciation. There is a depreciation. So to depreciation. अब बच्चा डेप्रिसिएशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, तो यू बट जस्ट सी हियर, depreciation is very important. Plant and machinery is purchased on 1st April 2016 also, and plant and machinery purchased on 1st July 2016 also. So what to do? First we will calculate the plant and machinery depreciation on old machine. तो depreciation on old machine will be 80,000 old machinery value बच्चा given in the question, and the depreciation on machinery is with the rate of 10%. तो 80,000 10 by 100 is equal to 8,000 is the depreciation one. And another plant and machinery of 20,000 depreciation on न्यू मशीनरी. तो बच्चा डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन द न्यू मशीनरी इज 20,000 इंटू 10 by 100, एंड इट इज फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ? तो यू जस्ट काउंट जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, 9 months. 9 by 12. It will come how much? It will come 1500. It means total depreciation is 8,000 for old one, 1500 for new one, total is 9,500. So two depreciation किस पे बच्चा? मशीन पे. Total machine depreciation is 9,500. 9,500. Now बच्चा second one is, on second what depreciation charge? Motor car. So two motor car. How much motor car is there bachcha? You just find out in the question what is the value of motor car. 70,000. 70,000 20% will be 14,000. So total depreciation is how much? 23,500. अच्छा, after that बच्चा salary is given in the question. Two salaries. अब how much salary is given? 36,000. तो salary 36,000. Done. Loss by fire. अब देखो बच्चा, I already informed you that total loss by fire is 10,000, but how much insurance company admitted? ठीक है जी, total loss by fire is 10,000. How much insurance company is there? तो insurance company is admitting the claim of 6,800. So out of 10,000, insurance company is ready to pay 6,800 as a claim. So how much balance is remain, which you have to take as a loss? Find out. It is 3,200. So it will be transferred to loss on stock is 3,200. देखो, the stock value is 10,000 destroyed by fire, but the company claim how much? Admitted the claim 6,000. Ultimately what we will not receive is 3,200. So loss on sale of 3,200. अच्छा, rent, तो 2/3 rent is paid by factory, तो 1/3 will be paid by office, which is how much बच्चा? 4,000. ठीक है बच्चा. अच्छा, अब भाई इंश्योरेंस का भी थोड़ा चक्कर देख लो. एक मिनट बच्चा. इंश्योरेंस का भी देख लो भाई. तो बच्चा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट वी अर्न 56,900, ट्रांसफर बाय ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 56,900, चैरिटी वी डन, स्टेशनरी वी डन, depreciation we done, salary we done, loss on stock is also done, rent is also done. Now what to do? Insurance. So to insurance, to insurance. How much insurance is there in the question? You just find out. How much insurance is there, bacha? 1200. And how much is prepaid? How much is prepaid insurance? Prepaid insurance is what? अब देखो बच्चा, इसको ना अपने को देखना पड़ेगा, निकालना पड़ेगा. तो कैसे निकालेंगे वो जरा देखो. How we can calculate the insurance premium prepaid? But in the trial balance, you can see properly that insurance premium paid from insurance premium. See in the trial in the question, in the trial balance, insurance premium paid for 1st of January 2017 to 31st 12 2017, 1200. तो बच्चा हाउ मेनी मंथ्स वी एक्स्ट्रा पेड? तो वी बच्चा एक्चुअली पेड हाउ मेनी मंथ एक्स्ट्रा इज, जस्ट फाइंड आउट, लाइक सपोज आफ्टर, what you can say, after March is the new year begin. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 9 month. ठीक है बच्चा. तो 12 month for 12 month. So 1 month is equal to 100. So 9 month is equal to 900, and this 900 will be considered as prepaid. So minus 900, total will be 300. तो बच्चा एक बार इंश्योरेंस का फिर से देखेंगे कि इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम इज पेड फ्रॉम 1st January 2017 टू 31st December 2017. ईयर क्लोज ऑन 31st March 2017. तो हाउ मेनी मंथ वी एक्स्ट्रा पेड? तो फ्रॉम 1st April टू 31st December वी पेड एक्स्ट्रा. तो वी पेड एक्स्ट्रा 9 मंथ. तो 12 मंथ price is 1200, 1 month price is 100, so 9 month price will be 900, and that will be deducted from the insurance as a prepaid. Okay, now what to do? What to do बच्चा? मोटर कार एक्सपेंस. देखो मोटर कार, sorry, motor car is a different thing and motor car expense is a different thing. So motor car expense is 6,000 rupees. After that बच्चा brokerage. Brokerage is also expense. To brokerage, how much it will be? 700. Now what to do? What we have can transfer? Carriage outwards. So to carriage outwards, and the carriage outwards is 2,000 rupees. So what we had done bacha, everything we transfer here, and the last one is to donation. How much donation is? 5,100. This is the last. अब देखो बच्चा, what we had done, we had transfer the content from gross profit first, then the gross profit बच्चा, we transfer charity, we transfer stationery, depreciation, salary, loss on stock, to rent, to insurance, to motor car expenses. हाँ जी, after motor car expenses, brokerage is there, carriage outwards is there, donation is there, so how much balance total is there, that we can find out. What we can find out? The total of this side is 56,900. 56,900. यहाँ 56,900, and the difference will be transferred as a to net profit. From the trading account we will get it the gross profit, but from the profit and loss account we got the net profit. So bacha, now what to do? We have to see every adjustment is adjusted or not. So closing stock is adjusted. Along with the closing stock, insurance company claim is adjusted, stationery is adjusted, goods costing 1200 given as a charity adjusted, new signboard costing 1500 is including in advertisement. देखो ये बाकी है. Rent is to be allocated, ठीक है जी, depreciation done है. तो बच्चा, what we have to transfer? Advertisement expense. So to advertisement expense. तो बच्चा, advertisement is already how much? Advertisement. Just find out in the question how much advertisement is there. Advertisement is how much? कहाँ है भाई, मिल जा, या मिल गया. सो बच्चा, एडवर्टीजमेंट इज 4,800. आउट ऑफ दैट हाउ मच स्टेशनरी इज देयर विच इंक्लूड इन एडवर्टीजमेंट इज 1,500. सो फाइनली एडवर्टीजमेंट रीच 3,300. सो टोटल इज बच्चा of the debit side is coming 85,650. This side is higher one, so this side it will record 85,650. 85,650. So bacha, what to do? You have to add all the content from charity to advertisement expenses, add all that and deduct from the gross profit. Whatever the total will be there, that will be net profit. And net profit is how much, bacha? So in this question there is no net profit because our debit side is more. So whenever the debit side is more, bacha, it is always loss. $150. दिस इज व्हाट बच्चा, पीएल अकाउंट. एक बार जी बैलेंस शीट बना लेते हैं, फिर वी विल डन इट. सो बच्चा, बैलेंस शीट देखो. बैलेंस शीट, वन साइड इज लायबिलिटी, अनदर साइड इज नोन एज असेट्स. अब देखो क्या है भाई असेट्स वाले में. फर्स्ट तो बच्चा वी विल राइट डाउन क्रेडिटर्स. Creditors is 32,000. And bacha, here we will start with the prepaid insurance cash. तो बच्चा सबसे पहले तो कैश लिखते हैं. कैश एट बैंक 5,400. ये सबसे पहली चीज. उसके बाद बच्चा वी कैन राइट डाउन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी क्लेम. तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी क्लेम इज हाउ मच बच्चा, 6,800. आफ्टर दैट प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस. प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस इज हाउ मच बच्चा, 900. ओके, प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस इज हाउ मच बच्चा, 900. आफ्टर दैट बच्चा debtors. Debtors is 1,20,000. but this 1,20,000 is the final amount. And after that बच्चा, after debtors, signboard. तो साइन बोर्ड नहीं, वो जो बोर्ड्स होते हैं, that cost just 1,500 rupees. And now what to do? We have to transfer here capital. Capital is how much? 3,50,000 minus net loss. In this question, बच्चा, loss generated. You just see in this question, both question net loss generated. So net loss is how much, बच्चा? Net loss is how much? Net loss is G, how much? It is 28,750. So it is something. So net loss is how much, बच्चा? 28,750 minus drawing. अब बच्चा, drawing is what? One to the drawing 12,000 and one drawing of 150. One drawing is 12. Proprietor withdraw for the personal use, so minus 12,150, and the total will come how much, bachcha? 3,09,100. 3,09,100 and 32,000 this side. This side, cash at bank is done, insurance company done, prepaid insurance done, debtors done, signboards, it is also done. Cash at bank is done. Now closing stock. So closing stock is how much? 55,000. Please everyone match with the question. Closing stock 55,000. Now furniture. Furniture is 5,000 as it is. Then machinery. So machinery 80,000 plus we purchase the machinery of 20,000 additionally minus depreciation. So depreciation total 9,500, and finally the total will be how much, bachcha? 90,500. Motor car. Motor car is how much, bachcha? 70,000. Motor car is 70,000 minus depreciation is minus 14,000. So finally total will be how much, bachcha? 56,000. So this much we will transfer in the balance sheet asset side. So in the liability 32,000 rupees done, capital, net loss done, all drawings minus. After that, bachcha, closing stock we recorded insurance company claim, that is also recorded, prepaid insurance is recorded, debtors is recorded, signboard is recorded, cash at bank is also recorded. And in that, furniture is done in the fixed assets, machinery done, motor car done. And how much total will come? So this side the total will come 3,41,100, and this side total will come 3,41,100. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you very much.